Hey guys, just finished shaving and it's just turned 12 months for this electric shaver. It's a Philips Norelco Aquatec. And how I know it's 12 months is because it has this little symbol. It looks like that scream icon, but it's actually Philips' way of with their new shavers to tell you to remind you to replace the blades. But I never really had to change the blades for 2 or 3 years. It's only I think after about 2.5 years I changed it out. But I'm going to show you how to reset this thing real fast. When you see that little orange sign with the little replace blades, that's a 12-month thing. Just turn it on and hold it for about, I think, 10 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's only about 7 seconds. So after you do that, it resets itself. It's just a little timer it has that's built in. But yeah, after shaving, how I keep my blades over 12 months, I basically, after a shave, I take it out and I clean out most of the stuff. If I don't have time, I usually clean out the next day. But I do take apart the basically the holder and everything, and just basically give it a quick scrub. Usually I run it with water to rinse out most of the hair, and so that I could work on it later. But you don't want to replace. You want to take out each of those blades, and you see it's all clogged up with hair. You want to take a brush to it and brush parallel to those clippers, so that you could dislodge any hair or anything else stuck in there, and so it's nice and clean. That's how I kept my blades for about over 2 years before having to replace it. But yeah, they still cut. These newer models actually have less blades, but they're easier to clean, which is the good thing about this Norelco. As you can see, after even just one shave, I shaved my head, by the way. It has a lot of follicles everywhere, and it's really dusty. Usually I run this under the water because this thing's waterproof, and it cleans pretty well, but there's still a lot that are stuck. So you basically take apart the parts, take your brush, your toothbrush, and basically just do a quick scrub, and clean the thing out. Normally I could do it dry or wet, but usually I like rinsing things out than doing it underwater. But doing it dry is fine too. It's just easier to take photographs of while I'm doing this, and then just replace the blade. If you're cleaning your individual blades, do not swap different tops with the different, I guess the carriers with the different blades, or else it's kind of bad for it. Or so everyone's been telling me about. Anywho, have a good one.